Hi, this video is a quick overview of all the editing and enhancement capabilities of the Renoworks Pro 3D models. I'll start with a more plain wall. So if you click on any area of the 3D model, a bunch of new options and buttons show up on the top right. These are your editing tools for the 3D model. For the wall, here are some things you can do with a wall surface. You can split the wall. This can be used in cases of when you want to add a masonry knee wall, or you want to add some shake in the gable with the trim board. You can also adjust the height by typing in what height you would like. You can hit apply. You can now see that the wall is split into two parts. You can change the type of wall surface this is, siding or masonry. We like to pick masonry because this gives you more options like paint as well. So now you'll see, I go to recents, I'm gonna apply this stone right here. That's the wall feature. If the homeowner changed their mind, or if you change your mind, you can also merge the split, and this will get the wall back in just one area. You can also add an opening. You can move it around. You can change the width and height of the opening that you just added. So I wanted to make this 6 foot. That's what it looks like. You can change the opening type. So say if you were adding a door or a garage door instead of an opening, or instead of a window, you can use this feature to change what type of opening it is. Also, sometimes the Eagle View reports, they do detect the front door as a window or the garage door as a window. This is again a feature you can leverage to make sure you change what type of opening this is to the right one. You can also change or remove existing openings. So you just have to click on the opening and then click on the remove opening option. You can change the type of window this is as well. And same, you can adjust the height of an existing opening as well. I think that covers almost all the editing capabilities for walls and openings. You can now also add or remove corner trim, window trim, or door trim. So we'll go back to the front elevation of the home. And if you uncheck the corner trim, you'll see if you check it back, it's back. Same thing with the window trim. You can also change the time of day on the home. We've kind of determined that 11:18 gives you the brightest sunlight on the home, so that's our default. You can also change the environment on the 3D model. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.